Welcome to Toy Time. Please subscribe.
Hello. We have a bowl full of eggs. I want to see what's inside. Do you? Let's open one up. Oh no. What happened to our egg? What could be inside this blue egg? Can you hear that? Let's see. Our egg is so sparkly. What could be inside? It's a ball. And this ball has Captain America on it. I wonder what's in this purple egg. Whoa, what happened to this egg? We better open it and find out. This egg is purple. And I love how speckled it is. Let's see what's inside. Whoa, what is this? These look like a lot of different shoes. You see all of these different shoes? Oh no. Come here. This egg looks really interesting. Look, it looks like a little chick. What's inside this play-doh egg? It's the cute yellow chick. And inside we have rubble. What egg do you think we should open up next? I think the orange one. Look how big this one is. Ta-da! Let's open this one up. Now it's time for this big egg. Ooh, that one sounds very interesting. And wonder what's inside this one. No, the egg wants to open already. This egg is orange. What's poking out? And it's a dinosaur. This dinosaur matches its egg perfectly. Let's do a pink one next because we haven't done that color yet. Ooh, it could be in that one? Not another Play-Doh egg. Let's shake this one and see what it sounds like. That one sounds different than the other eggs. Why do all of our eggs want to just open up? Sounds like maybe there's money. I don't know. Let's close it back up for a moment. This egg is pink. And inside, ooh, we have a lot of different tasty treats. Here's a pink cupcake. We have a pink cookie. Oh, it looks like a pink milkshake almost. That's nice on hot days. And a pink cupcake. So we got a bunch of different pink treats. Let's do one more egg. Which one should we choose? The sparkly one sure looks good to me. Let's open it up. And here is our last egg. Something fun's in there, I bet. Oh, and this was our sparkly egg. Oh, so pretty. This egg is green. And we have 2 dice. We hope you had fun today and learned lots of colors. Subscribe to our channel for more fun videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.